Do you want to know how you can make good transitions and crossfades on Spotify? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create or make good transitions on and crossfades on Spotify. So let's go ahead and start the video. What you need to do is open Spotify on your browser or your PC. Then what you need to do is click on Settings or Profile and click on Settings. Scroll a bit down and find Playback. Under Playback, you can see Crossfade songs. Go ahead and enable it and you can see the timer of crossfading the song. What this will do is make the transitions quite smoother. And the second option you need to enable is Auto Mix. It allows seamless transitions between songs on playlists, and you can go ahead and enable it. This way, you can enable smooth transitions and crossfades on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.